Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting opportunity for creative individuals, starting an online store selling digital downloads. If you have a passion for creating music, writing ebooks, or designing artwork, this video is for you. We'll discuss how you can start an online store and sell digital downloads like music, ebooks, or artwork. So, let's dive right in. Introduction to selling digital downloads. Selling digital downloads is an excellent way to monetize your creative talents and reach a global audience. Whether you're a musician, writer, or artist, offering digital products allows you to sell your work directly to customers without the need for physical inventory. This opens up opportunities to generate passive income and share your creations with a worldwide audience. Assess your creative skills and expertise. The first step in starting an online store selling digital downloads is to assess your creative skills and expertise. Reflect on your talents and interests, whether it's composing music, writing engaging ebooks, or designing captivating artwork. Identify your unique style or niche that sets you apart from others. This self-assessment will help you determine the type of digital products you want to create and sell. Choose the right e-commerce platform. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is crucial for setting up your online store and selling digital downloads. Consider platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Gumroad that offer user-friendly interfaces and robust digital product delivery systems. Evaluate features like customization options, payment gateways, digital file protection, and customer support. Choose a platform that aligns with your needs and technical capabilities. Create and upload your digital products. Creating and uploading your digital products is the heart of your online store. Take the time to craft high-quality music tracks, well-written ebooks, or visually stunning artwork. Ensure your digital files are in the appropriate formats and optimized for online delivery. Utilize tools like audio editing software, ebook publishing platforms, or graphic design tools to refine and finalize your creations. Set competitive pricing and product descriptions. Setting competitive pricing and crafting compelling product descriptions is crucial for attracting customers to your online store. Research similar digital products in your niche and determine a fair and competitive price. Write engaging and informative descriptions that highlight the unique features, benefits, and value of your digital downloads. Consider offering promotional discounts or bundle deals to incentivize sales. Promote your online store. Promoting your online store is essential for driving traffic and generating sales. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter to showcase your digital products, share behind-the-scenes content, and engage with potential customers. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in related niches to expand your reach. Consider running targeted online ads or partnering with relevant websites or newsletters to reach your target audience. Closing. Starting an online store selling digital downloads allows you to monetize your creative talents and share your work with a global audience. By assessing your skills, choosing the right e-commerce platform, creating high-quality digital products, setting competitive pricing, and promoting your online store effectively, you can build a successful business selling digital downloads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.